1/5 of the expenses incurred by consignor is 200 and 1/5 of freight, that is 400. Bills receivable account debtor to Harish 30,000. When the bill is received, what Harish will do? He will discount that bill in the bank. Commission due to Harish. What's the entry? Consignment to Harish account debtor to Harish, that is 5,500. Bills receivable account debtor to Harish. That means we received bill from whom? Harish. So we have to write bills receivable account 30,000. Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth session of Unit 4 of Advanced Financial Accounting. My name is Sridevi, Faculty, Department of Commerce, Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Agenda for today's video is problem and solution on consignment. Next, let us see the problem. Mr. Zishan sent goods on 1st June 2017 to Harish. So here Zishan is the consignor and Harish is consignee. So goods costing rupees 50,000. Though what is the cost of the goods? 50,000, and spent 1,000 on packing, etc. So this is the expenses incurred by the consignor. So who is the consignor here? Zishan. On 3rd June 2017, Zishan received the goods and sent his acceptance to Harish for rupees 30,000. That is bills receivable. For how many months? For 3 months. Harish spent 2,000 on freight. That means this is the expenses incurred by consignee. So what and all the expenses? This 2,000 and 5,000 on go down rent and 300 on insurance. And on 6th June 2017, he sent account sales along with the amount due to Zishan, showing that 4/5 of goods had been sold for 55,000. This is the sale made by Harish. Harish is entitled to a commission of 10% and one of the customers turned insolvent and he could not pay 600. This 600 will also come in the expenses of Harish. Pass journal entries and post them into ledger. So expenses incurred by Harish is 3,400. Now let us do the solution. So first, what did they say? They told us to pass the journal entries in the books of consignor. Who is the consignor? Zishan. So here, let us see the first journal entry, 9th June 2017. Consignment to Harish account debtor to goods sent on consignment. So how much is that? 50,000. Next, consignment to Harish account debtor to bank. That means the expenses incurred by consignors. So what is that? 1,000. So what will be the entry? Consignment to Harish account debtor to bank. Next, journal entries in the books of consignor, same thing will continue. You just write only one time. Next, let us see what is the next entry. So the next entry will be for bills receivable. So bills receivable account debtor to Harish 30,000. When the bill is received, what Harish will do? He will discount that bill in the bank. So what will be the entry for that? Bank account debtor to bills receivable account. How much? 30,000. Okay, next one, the entry is for the remittance. So here for the remittance, what is the entry? Bank account debtor to Harish. That means here the consignor received the money. That for that what comes in cash. So what we will write? Bank here, bank account debtor to Harish account. Now let us see how did this 16,100 has arrived. So here, how much is the sale made by the consignee? 55,000. From that we have to deduct the expenses, bills receivable and the commission due to consignee. So let us do that. Here the bills receivable is 30,000. Expenses incurred by consignee is 3,400 and last one is the commission. So how much is the commission? Let us see. Let us see the commission. Commission is 5,500. Let us see the total here. So here 30,000 plus 3,400 and 5,500, it will be 38,900. 38,900. So what we have to do? We have to deduct this 38,900 from this 55,000, that will be 16,100. So this is the remittance given by the consignee to the consigner, that is bank account data to Harish account, that is 16,100, 16,100. Next, inventories on consignment account data to consignment to Harish account. So let us see the working note. So here, inventories on consignment account is an asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet of the consigner, and the next year it will be transferred to the debit side of the consignment account. So let us see how did it arrive. So here, working note, the cost of inventories, cost that is 1/5 of the consigner. So how much is the cost 1/5 of the consigner? 10,000. Next, 1/5 of the expenses incurred by consigner is 200, and 1/5 of freight, that is 400. So let us see how did it arrive. The cost of the consigner is 50,000 into 1/5, that is 10,000. Next, 1/5 of the expenses incurred by the consigner. Let us see the problem now. So here, what did they say? On 6th of December 2017, he has sent the account sale along with the amount due to Zishan, showing that 4/5 of goods has been sold for 55,000. What does it mean? 4/5 of goods are sold. That means how much is left? 1/5 of goods is closing stock that is left with us. So what and all the expenses incurred by consigner is 1,000, and also the consignee. So we have to take the only non-recurring expenses. What is the non-recurring expenses here? Only one, that is 2,000. This 500 go down rent and insurance will not come in that. Let us do it one more time. So here, for cost of the inventories, 1/5 of the cost of the consigner, that is 50,000 sent. The goods sent, 1/5 is 10,000. Next, expenses incurred by consigner. Here, expenses incurred by the consigner is 1,000. 1,000 into 1/5, 200. Next, 1/5 of the freight. So let us see how much is freight. Freight is 2,000. 2,000 into 1/5, that is 400. So here total, this is 10,000 stock left, and expenses incurred by consigner is 200, and expenses incurred by consignee is 400. Total will be 10,600. So here what is the entry? Inventories on consignment account data to consignment to Harish account, 10,600. Now let us do the profit and loss. So here profit and loss is transferred. Let us see how did that profit arrive. Then that we will understand while doing this consignment to Harish account. Let us see how did we do that. So here, first what we have to write? Consignment account data to goods sent on consignment. Why is that entry? For sending the goods on consignment. So consignment account data to Harish. So 2 goods sent on consignment, same, that is 50,000. After that, expenses incurred by the consigner is, that is 1,000. Next, expenses incurred by Harish, that is consignee. What we have to write? To Harish account, that will be 3,400. Next, commission due to Harish is 5,500. Here sales proceedings by Harish we have to write. So here it will be 55,000. Next, inventories on consignment. What is that inventories on consignment? Closing stock. So how much is that? 10,600. So here total will be 65,600, 65,600. So from the sale proceeds and the closing stock, when we deduct all the expenses, what we will get? Profit. So how much is that profit? 5,700. So here, how did we get this? What and all things we have to add? Sale proceeds, that is 55,000 plus 10,600. 10,600 is the closing stock. That means the inventories, that is 65,600. From this, we have to deduct all the expenses. Expenses, what and all those expenses? From that, we have to deduct the goods sent on consignment, expenses, expenses incurred by Harish, and commission. Everything we have to deduct. That will be 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 3,400 plus 5,500. That is 59,900. 59,900. So what and all these? Goods sent on consignment 50,000. Expenses incurred by consignor 1,000. Expenses incurred by consignee, that is 3,400, and the commission, that is 5,500. So how much it will be? 65,600 minus 59,900. It will be 5,700. So what is the entry? Consignment to Harish account data to profit and loss account. So how much it is? 5,700. Next we have to transfer it to trading account. What is the entry? Goods sent on consignment account data to trading account 50,000. That means being goods sent on consignment account should be closed by transferring to the trading account. So this working note we did. Next let's do again the consignment to Harish account. I will brief it one more time. So first one is goods sent on consignment. So what is the entry for that? Consignment to Harish account data to goods sent on consignment, that is 50,000. After that, expenses incurred by consignor, consignment to Harish account data to bank account, that is 1,000. After that, we have to write expenses incurred by consignee. What is the entry? Consignment to Harish account data to Harish, that is 3,400. Next is commission due to Harish. What is the entry? Consignment to Harish account data to Harish, that is 5,500. After that, we have to write the sale proceeds. Sold it for 55,000. What is the entry? Harish account data to consignment to Harish account. After that, closing stock. We already did this calculation. What is the entry for that? By inventories on consignment account data to consignment to Harish account. How much is that? 10,600. Next, let us do goods sent on consignment. Consignment to Harish account data to goods sent on consignment. So what is the entry? Consignment to Harish account data to goods sent on consignment, that is 50,000. And we have to write to trading account because we are transferring it to trading account. Let us do Harish account in the consignor account. So bills receivable account data to Harish. That means we received bill from whom? Harish. So we have to write bills receivable account 30,000. Next, by consignment to Harish account data to Harish. So here expenses and bad debts, that will come 3,400. And by commission, why is that? The commission is given to Harish. And after that, we have to write the sale. What is the entry for sale? To Harish account data to consignment to Harish. How much is that? 55,000. The total will be 55,000. When we deduct all the items from this 55,000, because debit side is more, what and all items we have to deduct? Bills receivable, consignment to Harish, bad debt and commission. Then we will get 16,100. This is the balance received by consignor from the consignee. This is all for today's session. Thank you.